All, welcome to Pamita AI World. My name is Pamita Singh Kandaria and you're watching my YouTube channel Pamita AI World. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. This information is for all the English medium students. Till now I have taught you the application part of determinants, how determinants are used in matrix and what are determinants. Now I'll teach you the next topic, in which I'll teach you the different type of matrix and how in these different type of matrix we calculate the determinants. Fine. So there are so many different type of matrix, not one, there are so many different type of matrix. I'll teach you each and every matrix here. So different type of matrix. And their determinants. So number one, diagonal matrix. What is diagonal matrix? Determinants of diagonal matrix are the products of their diagonal elements. What does that mean? It means, let's suppose this is the matrix A, and now for non-technical students they would ask what is diagonal elements. Diagonal is nothing, is let's suppose this is the things 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1. So whatever comes in this direction, this is called diagonal. Fine. And the elements means particular vectors or scalars, numbers under this diagonal would call diagonal elements. Fine. These are diagonal elements. I hope you understand what I am teaching you, elements. So this is what? This one matrix A 0 0 0, B 0 0 0 C. All the elements under this matrix are 0, only the diagonal elements are there, A, B, C, which are in alphabetical order. So that is called diagonal matrix. This is what called diagonal matrix. So what is the, if I ask you what is the determinants of this diagonal matrix, it would be, the determinants of diagonal matrix would be the product of the diagonal elements. And what are the diagonal elements? A, B, C. And what is the product? Product means multiplication. Fine. So multiply. So A multiply B multiply C. So determinants of A is A, B, C. Fine. Now comes to the second matrix, that is called triangular matrix. Triangular matrix. What is triangular matrix here? Triangular matrix is nothing. The definition is same. Determinants of triangular matrix is the product of diagonal elements. So these are there are two types of determinants of triangular matrix is the product of diagonal elements, and the definition of diagonal matrix is also same. Definition of triangular matrix is also same. Now you would ask, when definition is same, what is the difference? So difference I am telling you here. There are two types of triangular matrix. Number one, upper triangular matrix. Number two, lower triangular matrix. So upper triangular matrix, what upper triangular matrix is? Let's suppose this is A, B, C, D, E and F. Now you would say 0, 0, 0. Again, what is lower triangular matrix? A, B, D, C, E, F. Again, it comes 0, 0, 0. So, by just watching here, you can see that a triangular type of form is building here. That is called upper triangular matrix. That is why it is called upper triangular matrix. This triangle is made on the above of these 3 0. Fine. That is called upper triangular matrix. Here the triangle is made here towards lower side of this 0. That is called lower triangular matrix. Now can we what is the determinants of diagonal elements of this triangular matrix? Determinants of this diagonal elements of this triangular matrix are product of ADF. Fine, because these are the ADF, these are the diagonal elements products. Now what is the determinants of this particular matrix ADF? This is the same, ADF. So upper triangular matrix, lower triangular matrix are almost same. So thanks a lot. This is the video I have made for you all the students. Now you understand what is the diagonal matrix, what is the triangular matrix. Now comes to the another part of third type of matrix. What is third type of matrix? That is called, this is also called diagonal matrix 2. Diagonal matrix 2. Why I did not change the paper here? Because here diagonal matrix is the same, diagonal matrix 1, here diagonal matrix 2. This is the second type of diagonal matrix. What is the second type of diagonal matrix here? Here the elements of diagonal matrix were different, like A, B, C. So if we put the numbers here, we can say that this diagonal matrix is like this: 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Like this it is showing. But in this particular diagonal matrix, what we see that 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Fine. This is called diagonal matrix 2. Fine. But the definition would be same, the product of diagonal elements. So product of diagonal elements, let's suppose if we consider it in the alphabetical order, like A, another values would be 0, like this. So products of diagonal matrix would be, determinants of diagonal matrix would be, can we say that it would be A ki cube, A ki power 3. So A ki power 3 means, if suppose one number is there, so 1 ki power 3. So answer would be determinants of A is 1. So this is the type of diagonal matrix 2. So thanks a lot. This video is for that's enough for today's video, and I hope all you students like and if you all the students like what I am teaching you, the different type of matrix and determinants also, which comes under the linear algebra part. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe and share to the needy students who wants to learn this future technology, of course, free of cost. Thanks a lot.